techniques of enhancing learners' motivation. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, कोई भी लर्निंग पॉसिबल नहीं है विदाउट द मोटिवेशन. That is why motivation is being called the heart of learning. Dear students, in order to make the learning effective, we have to focus on various enhancing factors which will enhance the motivation among learners. The detailed description of various enhancing motivating agents are as under. Number 1, conducive classroom environment. Dear students, conducive classroom environment is the primary factor or motivating agent which enhances the motivation among students. It means the environment of the classroom must be free from the psychological or social pressures. क्योंकि जो psychological और social pressures होते हैं, it gives birth to the so many problems like depression, stress, fear, anxiety, phobias and other mental conflicts, जिसकी वजह से learning possible नहीं है. Apart from it, there are the other factors which hampers the motivation among the students. For example, over strictness, discrimination, favoritism. Dear students, these are the other problems जिसकी वजह से मोटिवेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से लर्नर की लर्निंग हैम्पर हो जाती है, चाहे वो ओवर स्ट्रिक्टनेस है या डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, मोर एवर फेवरेटिज्म. And these are the major problems which does not only affect the motivation of the learner but also the whole learning process. Dear students, in order to make the learning process effective and goal directed, we have to create congenial type of classroom environment. Particularly, focus should be given to the freedom, not over strictness. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, one of the eminent philosophers, namely Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore is being called the lover of freedom. According to Tagore, learning of an individual is not possible without the freedom of thought, will, and by and large, freedom of expression. It is the primary responsibility of the teachers to provide the complete freedom to the learners. Otherwise, learning process will not take place. एक दफा रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर से पूछा गया, What is your opinion about the school system? He has beautifully remarked, I know school system, white painted and dented like a jail, where there are jailers and they have imprisoned the imprisoners. Dear students, स्कूल सिस्टम का तशबिया रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने जेल के साथ किया. जिस तरीके से एक जेल होता है, इसी मानंद स्कूल भी है, और जेल में जेलर्स है, और जेलर्स का तशबिया टीचर्स के साथ किया गया. और जो प्रिजनर्स है उनका तशबिया स्टूडेंट्स के साथ किया गया है। इट मीन्स सुबह से लेके शाम तक स्टूडेंट्स आर द प्रिजनर्स within the four walls of the school. Dear students, Tagore was actually the staunch supporter of naturalism. He believes on freedom because no development and progress is possible without the freedom of individuality. Every individual grows in the lap of nature. So complete freedom should be given to the learner for the betterment and overall growth and development. National progress, prosperity and development is not possible without the development of the students. Because it is rightly quoted by the Indian Education Commission, which is also known as Human Resource Development Commission, designed 1964 and submitted its report 1966 under the chairmanship of Daulat Singh Kothari. The first verse of the report depicts destiny of India is shaped in her classroom. If we want to shape the India technologically, focus should be on classroom. If we want to shape the India scientifically, focus should be on classroom. By and large, if we want to shape the India socially and spiritually, the focus should be given to the classroom. Without the learner's development, the national development is not possible.